truck that's got a cool look to it. Recently gone through a little restoration project. 1967 Chevrolet C10. Regular cab short box. As you can see right off the bat, the Yenko logo grabs you on the side of it. So it's kind of done up as a kind of a little Yenko shop truck look to it. Like I said, recently refreshed as a 396 underneath the hood. That's paired with a turbo 400 transmission that was just recently rebuilt. This car actually came out of the Omaha, Nebraska area. Seems to be a pretty solid truck. Take a look at the underside. Underside of this, very, very neat. Nice and tidy. Well done, clean. Underside pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us on this one too if you got any questions. 507-386-1726. Number we can be reached at. It's got that, I wouldn't necessarily really call it a patina. Call it more of a flat paint almost. Again, kind of just going for that, nothing fancy. That 67 Chevy dealership shop truck look. Great look to it. Just can't say it enough. Very, very cool truck. Not perfect by any means. Again, I think it's all kind of just that look that was gone after on this truck, where even the beauty rings may not be perfect. The other cab corner on the other side, or you may see there's a little bit of work to the cab corners have been done. But overall, just a great look, solid truck. Interior is kept stock. Vinyl's nice in it. Car runs great. The 396 pops right over, has a nice little lobe to it. Good little rumble. You can see how they ran the exhaust underneath. Has headers coming out of the V8. New mufflers. New exhaust underneath. Once again, take a look at those pictures. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior, what I'm talking about. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You see, bright work and bumpers and all that looks good on it. I'm showing the bed here a little earlier. You can see how nicely that's finished off. A little more of a darker, kind of classic oak look. Another little Yenko sticker on the window there to harken back to the day. The Yenko dealership. Truck's straight too, as you can look up and down the side of it. I mean, it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Looking for a nice runner, nice driver? Here you go. Now, of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And we can also assist with transportation to where you're located at. FYI, the rear end was also gone through recently. 308 gears in it. Positive traction, new bearings, seals, and gears. So this has had quite a bit of work done to it. From the tranny being rebuilt, the rear end, to not that old to build. This truck's got a lot of miles left on it. You'll see what I'm saying too when you look underneath. Like I said, very clean truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You can hear this thing run. See how easily it starts. Nice little sound to it. Like I said, kept the stock interior. Wipers work. And I believe turbo 400 transmission. If I remember right when I was underneath there. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier or not, but 396 paired with a turbo 400 transmission. Listen to that nice sound of that 396. Truck's got a lot of things going for it. Power steering also. So we'll show some equipment on it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. We'll pop that hood so you can see the engine bay. Check this out. Alright. See how nice and tight it is under the hood. Also painted, finished off underneath here to match. See how smooth that engine's running. Dressed up nice with the Chevrolet chrome valve covers. There you can see the headers, power steering. the Elk Rock intake, carburetor, aluminum radiator has been added. Really like the looks of this. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Financing is available. We do consider trades. Can assist you with the transportation. Get to the truck where you're located at. 1967 C10 Shortbox. A little tribute to a Yenko shop truck. Give us a call.